Alright, and see what you think to this. Nice little place. I'll show you around first. Alright, here it is. So we'll have a look inside. You lock it again, yeah? There you go. Interesting. Here's the old bell ringer thing here. Nice and clean, at least it's not all vandalised, right? Very nice. And this is where they used to keep the prisoners, apparently. Very good. Yeah, lovely views around here. Still got the bell in it. Get a catapult and shoot a stone at it. Just a short one, Addy, see what you think. Alright, I'll leave that one there. I'll make us way back now. Catch you on the next one. Bye. Check this one out. Another castle for you to check out. See what you think to this. Spin your hand. Spin your hand now. Right, this is path walking down to it. Yeah, alright, isn't it? For a wrecker. Nice views. Right, back to the castle. We're around the outside first. Not really a lot to see, is there? All the windows though. Another old window. Ah. A nice old castle back in its day. Sign here. Ah. Interesting. Oh, it's got the ring where the fire goes. Someone's had a good time in here. The walls look thick. Very big windows. Very good. See, someone's managed to scrape a name in the wall up there, look. Why would he do that? Ah. This is the tower. Wow. Really good, doesn't it? There's some sort of little seats up there. I think you can quite get up there. No. Ah, interesting. Yeah, a bit of a wrecker. Need some work done on it before I move in anyway. Yeah. Big windows. Right then, we'll nip down to the beach now and see what we can find down there. I'll catch you at the next location. Bye.